Welcome to the School of Fun, where the learning's never done. With Miss T, we'll make some dreams, science, crafts, and snacks it seems. Let's use our imagination and spark our exploration. From fun experiments to games to play, come along and join today.
Hi friends, welcome to my School of Fun. I'm Miss T. And I am so excited for Easter. Are you excited? Do you think maybe the Easter Bunny will come and bring an Easter basket full of chocolate or jelly beans? The chocolate bunnies are my favorite. Well, today's episode is all about Easter crafts, and you can do these at home. So I'll show you how to do them, and I hope you enjoy it. They are so fun. The first one is an Easter bunny face, and we're going to make it out of a popsicle stick, 2 pipe cleaners, you need a piece of white paper, a black marker, 2 poof balls, another ball that's smaller, I just used a wooden bead, a marker of whatever color you choose, I chose pink because it's one of my favorite colors, a hot glue gun, make sure you have an adult nearby to help you with the hot glue because you don't want to burn yourself, and some scissors. So to get started, we are going to color our popsicle stick with the marker of your choice, whatever color you want. I also colored my wooden bead pink to match my popsicle stick. Now you could use a smaller poof ball or a bead, anything circular. It's going to be the nose for the bunny face. So first we are going to hot glue the smaller ball, your bead, your poof ball, whatever it is you have, onto the top of the popsicle stick. So it looks like that, and that is going to be the little bunny's nose. Okay, now we are going to make the little 2 teeth for the bunny face. So I am going to cut out the little rectangle of the white piece of paper. And I'm going to use the black marker to show the teeth. So I'm going to draw a line down the center to show that it's 2 little buck teeth. And we are going to just glue that right below that small ball. So I'm going to put another little dab of that hot glue, press that on there, and now we have the teeth. I know it doesn't look like it right now, but you will see. Next, we're going to hot glue our little poof balls right next to each other, right below that small ball. Okay? So I'm going to put the hot glue right below the small ball, and I'm going to press each of these on the sides. Whiskers. So I had 2 pipe cleaners and I cut them each into 3 pieces. And they don't need to be perfect in length or size. We are going to hot glue these to the back side of our popsicle stick so they stick out from behind our little nose. Okay, so I'm just going to put a bunch of hot glue along the back here so that I can put all of the whiskers on here. Okay, once you hot glue the whiskers, you're all done. And now you have a cute little bunny face that can be a photo prop when you take pictures at Easter. You can make multiple of these in different colors so everyone can have their own little bunny face. Isn't that so cute? All right, for our next craft, we're going to be making a little bunny ears hat. So you need 2 pieces of paper, whatever color you want your hat to be, and your ears. And we're going to cut 2 long pieces, 2 strips along 1 piece of paper. So I'm just going to cut one And then I want the other one to be about the same size, so I'm going to lay it over the top and cut another one. It doesn't need to be perfect. This is just going to be the band that goes around your head. So it looks like this. Now we want to connect our two pieces. And I'm going to use a stapler. You can use glue, you can use tape, whatever you have. Then we'll fold it around and connect the other two ends so that we make a circle. And that's going to be our band that goes on our head. Now we need to make the bunny ears. For this one, we're gonna trace a bunny ear, and then we'll fold the paper in half and we'll cut out two. So I'm going to make a bunny ear, something like this. Now I'm going to fold the piece of paper in half, and I'm just going to cut out that shape so that I have two bunny ears that are the same size. Now I have two bunny ears, and these are gonna go on my hat like this. So I'm going to actually glue these on, but before we do that, we wanna decorate our ears. And I am going to decorate mine with some leftover wrapping paper that I have. You can use markers, you can use paint, you can use tissue paper, whatever you want. But I'm going to cut out basically the same shape of these ears to make the inside of the ear. And I'm gonna glue it on there. So to do that, I'm going to kind of get an idea of how big these ears are, and I'm going to trace it again on here. And I'm just going to cut out a shape that's a little bit smaller than it to put on the inside. Okay, so you see my wrapping paper is folded in two so that when I go to cut it, I'm gonna have two that are the same size again. And I traced this ear on here, but I don't want it to be the same exact size. I want it to be a little bit smaller. So I'm going to cut more inside of that line. So it looks like this. I need to just cut them in half so they're not connected. Now I'm going to take these two pieces and I'm going to glue them to the inside of the ear. And I'm going to use a paintbrush to paint the glue along the back side of the wrapping paper to make this easy. And I'm going to place it onto my piece of white ear. So now my ear looks like that, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. Now that I have my two ears, I am going to glue them onto my band just along the inside. So I'm going to take the glue again and just put some glue on there and press this right on the inside. And I'll do the same thing for the other one. And now my bunny ear hat is done. You can decorate it in more ways than just this. You can paint the whole band, you can color the ears, whatever you want. But let's see what it looks like when we put it on. Now you have two photo props with your little bunny face and now your bunny ears. And now you can take fun pictures at Easter. Isn't that awesome? Let's do another one. Next, we're going to make some edible Play-Doh out of Peeps. This is awesome. We're going to start with 5 Peeps, and then we are going to put half a tablespoon of coconut oil in here. Then we are going to put 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. One, 2, 3. All right, now we're going to pop that in the microwave for 30 seconds and mix it up. Once you take it out of the microwave, it's going to be all ooey gooey. So you just want to use your hands to mix it all together. And if it's still really warm, you want to wait a little bit and let it cool off because it will be easier to mold and not so sticky. So now you have edible Play-Doh, and now you don't have to worry about any toxic chemicals while you're playing with it, and you can eat it. So it's a nice little snack. I love Peeps. Those are so yummy. Let's do another one. For our next craft, we are going to be tracing our hand onto a piece of paper to make a little bunny. So you can use whatever color piece of paper you want, and we are going to trace our hand. Then we are going to cut out our hand that we traced. Now, once you get to the middle finger, you're actually going to cut straight across. Now, we are going to fold in these 2 fingers on the end, the thumb and the pinky finger, to make it look like the bunny's little hands. And then we have the bunny ears, and now we can color it. So I'm going to make the inside of the ears pink, and I'm going to make a little pink bunny nose. And I'm gonna use a black marker to make little bunny eyes and bunny whiskers. And now we have a little bunny. You can make multiple of these, and you could string them to put along your mantle or just to decorate, to hang up on your window, whatever you want. That was so easy, and isn't it so cute? Little bunny boo-boo hopping through the forest. Yay! Let's do another one. All right, for our last one, we are going to be making a table runner out of brown craft paper. And I'm so excited for this one because when you finish this, you'll be able to actually use this on Easter at your dinner table, and everyone will get to see your little art project on display. It's gonna be awesome. So I had a roll of brown craft paper, and I just cut the length of our dinner table. Then we are going to use some white paint, and I'm just gonna put it on this paper plate. Then I'm going to take a paper towel holder and I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. Now I want to make the shape of a bunny. So I'm going to flatten one in half, and that's going to be the bunny ear. And I'm going to take another one and flatten it in half to be the other bunny ear. Now I'm going to hot glue them together like this. Make sure you have an adult to do the hot glue. You do not want to burn yourself. I'm just gonna put some on the inside to hold these 2 together. And now it looks like this. Now I want to hot glue this last one as a circle to be the head of the bunny. I'm just going to put some hot glue along the bottom of the ears, and I'm going to put a little bit on the circle for the head, and then we'll just attach it like this. And now it looks like that. All right, so here comes the fun part. We're going to dip this in the paint and we're going to make little shapes of bunnies all over the table runner. This is kind of like the snowman craft we did back in the winter. Okay, so now that I have my paint on there, it's kind of like a stamp. And I put them in all different kinds of directions so that no matter where you're sitting at the dinner table, you can see a little bunny face looking at you. And you want to make sure you get enough paint on there and you stamp it as hard as you can so that the entire thing comes in contact with the paper. Now that I've stamped the whole paper with the little bunnies, I'm going to use a pink and black marker to make little faces on each of them. So I'm going to color in the ears, and I'm gonna make a little pink nose, and then I'm going to make the eyes and the whiskers. It's so cute. And you can make all kinds of different faces for the bunnies on all of them. Isn't that so cute? All right, I'm going to keep going. All right, I just colored all of the faces onto the bunnies, and now you have a complete table runner that you can use at your Easter dinner. Isn't that so cute? That's it for today. I hope you all had fun. I'll see you next time. Happy Easter! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, friends.